Today we're going to learn more about nylon alloy wire holders from MacLean Power and how they are a better and more cost-effective alternative to traditional porcelain wire holders. Wire holders are used at the last connection in the electrical distribution system, connecting the service drop from the pole to the customer's home. MacLean Power wire holders are made from nylon alloy reinforced with fiberglass, which gives the wire holder both strength and electrical insulating properties. The nylon alloy wire holders are superior to traditional porcelain wire holders because they cannot chip or break. A full test report, which includes mechanical and electrical tests, is available at MacLeanPower.com. Looking at the J089 series of wire holders first, we see these wire holders use a lag screw and are available in 2¼ inch, 3 inch, and 4 inch length. All wire holders are also available in gray color. These are designated with a G at the end of the catalog number. To install the wire holder, you can start it like a nail because the nylon alloy is strong enough to withstand hammer impacts. Then you can use the drive bit supplied with the wire holders to easily finish off the installation. Now you can proceed to installing the service drop by using either a wedge clamp or a house service grip, both of which are available from MacLean Power. The mass-mounted wire holder covers service mass diameters ranging from 1¼ inch to 3 inches. Installation is quick and easy using a speed wrench. Similar to lag screw wire holders, the service drop installation can be finished off using wedge clamps or house service grips available from MacLean Power. Wire holders from MacLean Power are RUS approved and proudly assembled in the United States. To learn more about these wire holders or other solutions for the utility industry, visit MacLeanPower.com.